Shabani, the founder of One World for Love and Peace organization. We are here as educated organization through media, public relation, outreach, and partnership. We are following direction for any organization can be around us, working for peace, and educate people around the world, around us too, about situations need to be addressed in the TV show. I'm talking about how to solve it through you, my viewers, because we as American, the problem solvers, and we have to know what's going on around us to be able to solve that problem. With no help, no solution. Your help as viewers, knowing more details about such things around the world, because we are the small world as America, but we are the smallest world as Sacramento. We have the most ethnicity in Sacramento, so we have the world as bouquet of flowers. We are part of that world, and we love to see that world live in peace as a symbol for peace for the whole world. Let's work together, contact each other through other organizations too, and through my show, The Lighthouse, for today's viewers on Access Sacramento, Channel 16. Every other Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have a new story. We bring the people who can explain the stories, and we love to inspire women, because women as center of the power of the house, either we like it or not. And we are a group of women today working for that matter. Thank you for listening. I hope to watch my show and to see you some other time.